Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. Hope you guys are doing good. Okay, let's talk about Tapswap, how to spot the next 100x altcoin Tapswap code. Okay guys, let's go to Tapswap and go to new task, how to spot 100x altcoin, and just go to code section and I will provide you code. The code is the first letter is L, second code is A, and the third code is C. Before that guys, if you're new in the channel, make sure guys like, share and subscribe and join my telegram. You will get the link on my description or search Susan Dal official. Okay, and the next code is H, and the next code is E, next code is yes, and the next code is I, and the last code but not the least, which is S, and submit it and you will get 400 token. If you like this video, make sure guys like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.